Hey Darren, this is Shannon with Classy and Sassy Digital Marketing. Thank you for taking the time to review this quick little video. First of all, I just want to say I'm so excited for you guys. Your talent, you're going to put it to great use, and I think you guys are going to do great. So, I normally do these screencasts a little bit different, but because you're just starting out, I'm just going to point out a few things. I do not want to overwhelm you with information. Excuse me. So, first of all, your Facebook page is on the right track. I'm going to go over some content, backlinks, and citations, and a few other things. So, first things first, I highly, highly, highly recommend a web page because it is all going to come together and it all feeds off of each other. Second thing I'd recommend is a Google business profile. And there's certain things you want to add to these, and I'll go over it. So let me just kind of explain a Google business profile. So, like with this one, I just pulled up Welding, Douglas County, Oregon. This is what we call the map pack. This is where you want to aim to be. This is where you are going to get a lot of traffic from, especially for one, you want to be on the first page of Google. That's how people are going to find you guys. Again, I searched Welding, Roseburg, Oregon. I just threw a few different keywords in here to search for it. Okay, so different ones. Again, you want to aim to be in the top 3 for your keywords. So I pulled up a couple websites to show you. And you can see they have some content on there, pictures. It's a good looking website. Here's another one. Good looking website. Not a whole lot of content though, and that is very beneficial. This is just your organic, natural. It's a Google site, so there's not a whole lot to this site. So one thing with content, Google likes to see anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words, just depending on the competition and then a number of keywords. A keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product, as I showed you here, Welding, Douglas County. Google likes this information. So in the content, you strategically place keywords on your website to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be put in front of when people are searching for it. So say you're a plumber in Winston. You want Google to be able to tell its users you're a plumber in Winston. Okay, so another thing is backlinks. Now, not all backlinks are created equal. A backlink is where you find one website linking to another via clickable text. The idea is that these links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. And it's pretty much a popularity contest when it comes to that. As you can see, this one, they only have 18. Easy to beat. This one's not showing any. This one's not showing any. So there is some things out there that you could definitely utilize. As far as keywords, this competitor only has 5. It's all pretty much their business name. But metal fab, catwalks and platforms, 40 searches a month. That sort of thing. So even off of their searches, if I look at this organic traffic, they're not even getting anything to their website. So another thing I want to point out is citations. So, and why I say a Google My Business is highly important. So citations is anywhere your business name and number and address are shown exactly as per your business Google profile, which is this is what it looks like. They're lacking a lot of information and keywords on here, so I think they'd be pretty easy to beat out on that. And there's thousands of directories that you can place and list these in, such as Better Business Bureau, Yelp, Angie's List, this sort of thing. These are what help you to rank in this map pack. And the reason for that is extremely important for local businesses, since this can generate huge amounts of revenue for you. The idea is that these begin to add up, creating your online presence, allowing you to be seen more often by both people and Google. Once Google sees you more than these competitors, the more likely it is to rank you above them. So I hope this quick little video just kind of gave you a little bit of insight of what goes into a website, why they do the things they do, and why I highly recommend a Google business profile. And then once you do that, you want to make sure all your social media matches, your Facebook, everything. If you have any questions, let me know. Let me know what you thought of this video, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks, Darren.